Hello everybody, Mo Zamed here, and today we're gonna do a tutorial for the most requested things you guys wanted: Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro. Let's just get straight to the point. None of that note stuff, none of that background music too loud, whatever. So let's just get straight to the tutorial. First thing you're gonna want to do, go to my description. You're gonna find a link. Either you're gonna want to click it or copy and paste it up here. So I'm getting copy and paste it up here. It says please disable ad block. Okay, well, pause on this site and ad block's disabled, refresh real quick, and boom. You're gonna want to click I'm not a robot, then click here to continue. It's gonna give you this page. Don't click on this page, this is bad, just exit it out. You're gonna get this. It's gonna make you wait 5 seconds, then get link. Gonna give you another of these virus pages. No thank you, we don't want any viruses. Then this is the actual thing you're gonna want to download. So you download this real quick. It's gonna maybe take a second, and then you're gonna save it to wherever you want. I'm gonna do download. So it's going to give you the zip file. Either you can access it through here where you saved it, or you can just click down here if you have Chrome. Okay, make sure to have WinRAR before this. I'm pretty sure everybody has WinRAR, so I'm not going to go into detail on how to install that. You can find another video, but I'm pretty sure everyone has it. So you're going to get this and then extract it. You're going to want to extract this anywhere. I'm going to do desktop just because it's quicker for you guys. Okay, boom. After this, we're gonna exit everything. Nothing open, boom. Let me move this real quick, sorry. So you're gonna get this folder. There are 3 things in it: AE, PR, and Creative Cloud Setup. First thing you're gonna wanna do, Creative Cloud Setup.exe. Click that, open that up, and after you open it up, it's gonna make you install. But since I already have it installed, it's gonna ask me for my email and password. So once you guys get to this point, make sure to make an account. If you guys don't want to use your real email, just go to temporaryemail.com, make a temporary email, and make an account real quick. Since I have an account, I'm going to sign in real quick. And boom, we're signed in. We're going to get this page. Since I already have Photoshop from the last tutorial, we're going to not click that for now. We're going to go down to find what we want: After Effects and Premiere Pro. Since we want both of them, we're going to click try and try on both of them. What this is going to do, it's going to install them real quick. Actually, it's going to take a while, but waiting, and they're going to come up here, waiting. It's going to take maybe 30 minutes to an hour, depending on your internet, but I'm going to come back when it's finished installing and finish the tutorial. Okay guys, so as we see here, After Effects has finished installing and it says start trial. Make sure to not click start trial no matter what you do. Now all we're waiting for is Premiere Pro. And actually while we're waiting, I get asked this a lot on the last video, is if you already have an account and you already started the trial, basically it wouldn't say this, your trial would have ended. What I recommend for you to do is make a new account. Basically it's gonna make the Creative Cloud think you're another person that hasn't started their trial or anything, just a brand new fresh account. You can just use a fake email or actually make a real one. Okay guys, so after Premiere Pro and After Effects finish installing, it's gonna tell you to start free trial or whatever. Don't click that. Make sure to not click any of that, okay? Just exit out. You're gonna want to go back to the same page that we started out, which is this one with the AEPR and then this. Then we're gonna get on to the next step. So first we're gonna do Premiere Pro, which is PR. You're gonna go to your search bar, whatever you use, and then type Adobe Premiere, and then it's gonna show thing. Just right click on that, then open file location. Move this to the side a little bit, and as you see here, Premiere Pro is highlighted. So you're gonna wanna right click on that and then open file location again. You're gonna get this page with a weird, I don't even know what all this says, but basically the next part is super simple, and make sure to follow as I say. So what you're gonna want to do is go to PR. Okay, you're gonna have this one file, mtlib.dll, whatever. You're gonna hold this, drag it to the right. It's gonna ask you if you need administrator permission. Basically you need to be an administrator of your computer. Just click continue. It's gonna take 1 second, and boom, you're done. That's it. All you're gonna want to do now is to get After Effects is repeat the process again, but it's empty right here because I already did it and my recording messed up, so whatever. It's just the same step, just repeat it, except instead of typing Premiere Pro, just type Adobe After Effects and do the same thing. So now you're gonna exit this, and you're gonna want to try out your new stuff. So click down here, Adobe let's say After Effects. So you can either pin to start, pin to taskbar. I'm gonna pin to taskbar, it's easier for me. So it's gonna be down here. I'm gonna place it right there. And then next we're gonna want Adobe Premiere Pro, then pin to taskbar. I'm gonna move this also to here, and boom. Let me start After Effects real quick. And this is it, guys. There it is, After Effects. Wow, it looks pretty sick. I've never used this actually. I'm gonna start learning it. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for everything, for all the new subscribers, all the new likes, everything, all your views. I appreciate your support so much. So from this point on, you're done. You can just go start using your After Effects, whatever you want to do. But I just would like to thank you so much for everything that you guys done. We got over 150 subscribers since last time. I was at 50. You guys gave me over 100 subscribers since that one video. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything, guys. All your support, all your comments. You guys are the best. As you see here, guys, Adobe After Effects is working. Everything is working. New project, let's say new project, whatever. Everything's working here. Thank you for everything, guys. Please like if you enjoyed. And also, guys, comment down there what next tutorial you guys want. Anything, whether it's a game, anything. I'm going to try to do it for you guys. And the comment with the most likes is going to get pinned. And that's what I'm going to do next. Anyways, guys, thank you for everything and take care.